My mom always told me there is no point in being worried before you know the outcome.
You can still be worried once you know it's actually bad. I'm incredibly bad at taking that advice. But I learned to trust the process and be positive. Instead of planning every step, I commit to a goal and then follow towards that goal, just step by step. Because apparently that brings me closer to my goal of building 500 birdhouses. Exactly 25 birdhouses closer to that goal. And not because I planned it, just because I trapped myself in a situation where I had to pick up the phone and call some tree pruning guys and ask for help. So thank you, Edward, for the tree, and thank you, Mom, for the advice. Let's build some more birdhouses.